And hey guys, and what's up? My name is Alicia Kramer and I'm the co-founder of Social King. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get up and running with the platform. So Social King is a social network platform specifically for Shopify powered stores. As you can see over here, it's actually composed of two apps. One is the store admin app. That's you as the store owner can moderate the content and customize what the network looks like. And meanwhile, there's also the shopper facing app, and that allows shoppers to interact with the news feed and to create new content, upload videos, images, and comment on other people's posts and so on. Alright, so this is pretty much the shopper facing app over here. And let's just start digging in over here to the store admin app. This is pretty much what you would do probably when you first install the app. You're going to go into your settings section over here, and you're going to be able to customize a couple of things. And you can really see pretty much what you can customize if you go into the app over here, and on the bottom you can see this little image over here, and that kind of shows you, first of all, everything is available on the community/connect, and it retains your header and your footer, so that also makes the network very unique. You can customize this title over here. You can customize the description of the community. You can customize the bars and the background and the colors and stuff, so make sure you do make it match your theme. And yeah, and it talks with your customer system and your product system. So let's go in for a moment and try to create a post over here. Right? Let's say I'm as a shopper. If I try to create a post, it's going to take me to this login page, because you're supposed to incentivize users to give you your email. This is one of the reasons why building a social network on your own site is going to be much better than building it on Facebook, because this way you can actually incentivize your customers to create content. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually log in, because I can't do anything on the network until I actually log in. Let's see over here. Okay, so I'm going to log in here. Alright, and now once I log in and I try to create a post, this time I can create a post, and I'll be able to create a new post. And over here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm going to say this is a cool platform. And I can even add links over here. So let's say I want to add a link over here to the home page. Then I'm going to highlight it, and the moment I highlight it, I can convert it to different things and so on. And I'm just going to add a link in there. Okay, I'm going to press save post, and it's going to say, thanks for submitting the post. A moderator will review your content and publish it if approved. Now let's say me as a store admin, I'm not really so afraid of spam, and I just want to let my users run free and liberate them. So what I can do, I can go into my settings, and I can go into the moderation setting over here, and I can say current setting, new posts by community members need approval. I'm just going to say just let them post. And the moment I do that, and then I go ahead and refresh, let's say my shopper admin section, I can go ahead and type over here, this time moderation is not required. Right? Okay, so that's a very common thing. And when we press save post, it automatically goes live on the network, and the customer sees your post is now live and available here, and that's great. I can click into it, and it'll show me the blog itself. It'll show me the user itself, Flavio Russo, and other people can go ahead and click it. Now, what else is generated? There's also the user profile pages, so that's really nice as well. And this is just an example of a user profile page. I'm going to go ahead and just show a little bit more of the shopper admin section. If you go into settings, shoppers can also update their photo. This actually looks smaller by default in most stores. And they can update their name. They can provide a bio, and they can provide their favorite thing about the given shop. And that makes it a little bit friendlier over here. Alright, so now in this case, that new post went live over there. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers a little bit about what you can do. But me as a store admin, I also have a lot of controls once that content actually goes live. So for example, if I go into this post that was just created by Flavio Russo, then I can go ahead and promote related products, right? So That's an important feature as well. Let's say I have all these shops. I have all these products that are related to this specific user's post. I'm going to go ahead and add products to promote next to Flavio's content. I go ahead and press add over there as a store admin, and boom, that's pretty much all I need to do. I'll go ahead and press publish over here, and when I press publish, ooh, this post doesn't have a title. I can make up a title. We'll just call it Flavio's post, for example, but it's not necessary. Okay. And as well over here, I can go ahead and add a bunch of stuff. Me as a store admin, I can also add a lot of other stuff. All sorts of things: tables, text, warnings, code, headings, quotes, checklists, and so on. If I want to post a YouTube video, by the way, this is also an important little thing. I'm going to go ahead and go into YouTube. Customers or shopper admins can just go ahead and copy paste whatever they want in there. Ooh, Rob McElhenney, he's great. So I'm gonna go ahead. He's the founder of, he's the creator of It's Always Sunny, a great show. So let's say I do want to share this Rob McElhenney video in there. All I needed to do was just copy the URL and then go into the store admin editor or the shopper editor and copy paste it. I'm gonna press publish over there, and the moment I press publish and I go back into that store, that post itself, then now the McElhenney video is also available over there, and as well as all those related products that me as a store admin just uploaded. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you get started building a social network. The app is supposed to help you build a community on your own store, because people on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, they all have ADD and they just don't know what they want. They're jumping between different things. The moment that you build a community on your own network, you have a bunch of benefits. Number one is, if they want to purchase something, they can just go right ahead under your content and buy it right there. There's nothing faster than that. It's under your own domain. You're going to retain your header, so your nav bar, which I don't believe any other competitors do. And you also keep your footer as well, and all your themes. If you want to customize the shop itself, there's a lot of things you can do. Customers can then go ahead and then manage their posts over here. They can create new posts. Settings, customers can upload their own photo as well. All right, let's talk a little bit about what the store admins can do. So we just spoke a little bit about what the Manage Post tab does. Manage Comments, really similar concept. You as a store admin can make a comment hidden, or you can make it public, right? In this case, I'll just keep that comment hidden. And I can also control the topics of the site. So let's say I want to add new topics, right, that customers can talk about or create content about. Then I'll just go in here and I'll just create a new topic over here, and new topics. I'll press create. The moment I create it, then I'll go back into view my network over there, and it'll show me this new tag called new topic. But in this case, there's no posts related to it, but there are posts, for example, related to FAQ. And and you can always tag posts to specific topics or specific tags, right? And yeah, that's the basic concept over there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete that new topic from the demo shop. I'll delete it. Yes, I definitely want to delete it. Thank you very much. And let's go into the settings for a second. We spoke a lot about this piece of the puzzle over here. The community name, the community description, the language. This is going to be shopper facing language, right? So let's say I change it to Chinese and I press update settings over there, and now I go back into the network and I refresh the page. The stuff that becomes Chinese is, all the buttons, all the important stuff. So let's say I go back into, right, create a post, right, or manage posts and that kind of stuff. So all the shopper facing text that's customizable, that's same across all sites, will then get written in Chinese, for example. So if you're a Chinese store or a Portuguese, Italian store, you may want to use that feature to translate the shopper facing app. In this case, I'm going to set it back to English. I can set my icon image, my header image, which is at the very top. Here's the header, and I don't think I have, here's the icon image. I don't believe I have an icon in this case. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. The moderation, the background color, primary color, and buttons color. And you also have custom CSS. So if you want custom CSS over there. You can also set the custom CSS. And yeah, I think that's pretty much the majority of it. If moderation is required, and then you set a customer's comment or post live, they do get an email notification, and that hopefully will bring them back to the store. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help and customize it, because we know that building a network for every single niche is something unique, and we really wish you the best of luck in building your social network. Thanks so much, and have an awesome day.